Today, let's talk about one of the most powerful skills that you can build. It's called emotional intelligence. It's also called EI or EQ. So it is the ability to be able to recognize, understand, and manage your emotions and the emotions of others. The good news is emotional intelligence is not fixed. You can learn it, you can develop it, and you can enhance it. So even if at this point you feel you are not really emotionally intelligent, when you stay with me to the end of this video, you will understand what it means to be emotionally intelligent. What is emotional intelligence? According to this psychologist, Daniel Goleman, identified the four main components of emotional intelligence. These four pillars include self-awareness, self-regulation, social awareness, and relationship management. These skills are very effective in leadership, communication, and success in relationship. So let's break them down. Self-awareness is the ability to identify and understand your emotions. So after you recognize these emotions, you are able to know how they can affect your behavior, your thoughts, and your actions. As humans, we have triggers. We have what would make us get angry, happy, excited, or indifferent. When you are able to notice and identify your emotions, you are a step ahead towards becoming emotionally intelligent. People that have high self-awareness are able to communicate clearly, they are able to make better decisions, and also build strong relationships. Remember also that self-awareness is the foundation of emotional intelligence. Self-regulation is the ability to manage your emotions, especially in stressful situations. Sometimes people often know your strengths and your weaknesses, and they know the button to press to provoke you. And if you're not careful, you would react instantly. That's why you need to learn how to regulate your emotions. By learning how to do this, you don't allow your triggers to control you. Instead, you think clearly, you stay calm, and you respond instead of reacting. People that have developed self-regulation are able to adapt in stressful situations, stay grounded under pressure, navigate challenges without losing control. If you have ever admired someone that stays calm while others are panicking, that is emotional self-regulation in action. So, self-regulation is a skill that you build with consistency and intentionality. Social awareness. This is where empathy comes in. This is the ability to be able to understand how others feel, even when they don't say it directly. This skill helps you read body language, the tone in the voice, the emotional cues, and the social dynamics. When you can tune into others' emotions, you respond with compassion and clarity, and people will often trust you and feel safe around you. Everyone needs social awareness, from the CEO to the staff, from the doctor to the patient, from the husband to the wife, from the pastor to the congregation. Everyone needs social awareness. And social awareness helps you understand how other people feel, and it helps to control how you respond to them based on your understanding of how they are feeling. Social awareness helps us build healthier relationships, helps us to see beyond ourselves, and also to understand perspectives. Relationship management. If social awareness is about understanding others, relationship management would help you use that understanding to build meaningful connections. Relationship management involves communication, teamwork, conflict resolution. When you are able to have relationship management, it will help to build trust. It helps you work better with other people. For example, if your spouse returns home from a stressful day, very tired and angry, instead of you taking up an argument or disregarding their feelings, what you could do better in that kind of situation is to actively listen to them, validate their emotions, and make them feel better. With that, you're managing their emotions better and you're showing empathy. Or for instance, you are a team lead in a group and the team members feel discouraged because they failed a presentation. As a team lead, you have to be optimistic. You have to highlight the lessons they've learned from the situation and how they can improve. That's one of the best ways to manage that situation and their emotions. So relationship management is very vital in the home, at work, in any social construct that you find people. Emotional intelligence is a game changer. It is a core skill that cannot be overemphasized. In a society where we are promoting safety, we are promoting healthier relationship, we all need to be emotionally intelligent because we are dealing with people. Humans have emotions, so you need to be intelligent about this. Emotional intelligence allows you to identify your own emotions, regulate your emotions, understand other people's emotions, and you also use the understanding to build healthier and meaningful connections. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, and comment on which component of the emotional intelligence are you looking at improving. Drop it in the comment section and I'll see you in my next video.